Hello and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 day series. Today I'm going to make a lamp out of a camera. I used to collect old cameras. I used to pick them up at garage sales. I'd buy them off of eBay. A couple times I bought lots of like 15 cameras for $5 or $10 off of eBay. Both times I think I paid more for shipping than I ever did for the cameras, and I have way too many of them. I probably have 40 or 50 cameras. A lot of them have never seen the light of day. Most of them have seen the inside of a box, and that's all they've ever seen since I've owned them. Some of my favorite cameras are like the box cameras, especially the Art Deco style. They just sit really nice on a shelf. Other cameras that aren't even that old. This camera's from the 70s, but just has a really classic look style to it. I like the look of them on a shelf on top of the piano. The camera that I'm going to make a lamp out of today is this Polaroid Swinger Model 20. It was made from 1965 to 1970, and I thought a Polaroid camera with the model name Swinger was just too funny not to display. I can't believe I've left it in a box for over a decade without giving it even a second look. Well, today it's going to see daylight. Or LED light. It's going to see LED light. Most of this is held together by there's a few rivets, but most of it's melted plastic. These black buttons on the top and the bottom are melted through on the inside to hold it in place. And just like the stuff on the back here. I'm not really going to be able to disassemble this camera. I'm just going to have to work with it as it is. I think that's going to be fine. And if anything, that's going to be easier. Well, I don't know if it'll be easier in the long run, but it'll be a lot lazier feeling versus fully disassembling it, machining parts away, and having to reassemble it. Perfect. I believe I have all my pieces machined and ready for final assembly. Let's see how it goes together. thought you were always supposed to have a knot in a lamp head. So if the cord gets pulled, it doesn't pull on the connection, it pulls on the knot. There is almost no room for a knot in this lamp head. Say cheese. I like the black base for it. It doesn't really stand out. It almost blends in as part of the camera. I needed some kind of a base to get the wiring out the back. I didn't have enough room to have the wiring all contained within the camera. I don't know how often it's going to be on. It's probably going to sit off on a shelf way more than it ever sits on. But versus sitting in a box in the basement, it's much more of a usable item now. It was a fun project. I really enjoyed making it. And today is day 15 of my 30 videos in 30 days, which means if you want to see the next 15 videos, you should subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And until next time, peace.